Wakwaba Adom TV Badwam Jumede no so nyum na yedi edi kan na fofie edei na de edu so no ye kase ensam no ne yetodwa wo mu bi ni na National Road Safety Authority nso na mfie aduonum eni ya Ghana yensa yedi etwi ahyen yesesa efri ye benkumu ekọ nifa no yede honsam no enchemu ebebro na fe ya body ewramu eye floating book fair de sopa books ahodo ni nyina nei eba bedru oman Ghana mu atichu ene adehye mpempem ebo apre ho akwakohwe ne ekoso de ne sembi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel ne 119 DSTV 280 YouTuber search Adom TV Tube fasida Emma Majoy Trish one madaro mata de fefe mi shebi okọ Instagram Majoy Trish ewo na onso akope bia hye mi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsam ni nchiremu no etie National Road Safety Authority se atontom ewo yahyenka emu wo mfie aduonu eni yedi efri yensabonkum ekonifa so ewo driving mu tete no nanka de sade ne yetwi no nanya sa na netie nti ya yesa de no a mfie aduonum eni to omo hye ho fa de ho nsam Adom TV kase edibe
Osanabo someda na etoso nan afia pem hankono ne aduason nan mu na Ghana jai se wochi left hand ehyen na wo hyase se wochi right hand ewo akwan ahodo so ya ne nyina no eka international standards eni akwan obefo so ama akwanhia ensie ewo akwan tempo ahodo so National Road Safety Authority echiremu se mfie aduonum ni ya wo hyase etwi ahyen ya right hand ewo oman mu no ensesaye bebre aba wo man akwan ene akwaniabedie so Enkrata ni mu no wono mu kiremu se sansesa ye yaboa nso ama traffic flow ewa ya kwan hodo so no impumti obebre ya bemu wo kiremu a efie bebre ni no wonom enam akwan hodo bebre so a wodin hyehyeye egu akwan mu se de be ya akwanhia yinsi wo ya kwan tempo ahodo so wode manfo be fantitie mu na afi traffic emra nyina no ahyenkafo edi so na wo kiremu a efie aduonum ya wonom edie no wonom ebedi dwuma ahodo bebre wo mu ya ebi ne se wode manfo be fantitie mu wone transport operators eni ahyenkafo ebedi nsawo so na mfasode ahodo a wanya efri bra wo hyase etwi right hand no wode atudwa ama manfo nyina atibi oni nyina mu no wode to ahyenkafo nyina ne mu se wono na makwan so a wonni road traffic enhyehye nyina so se be ya akwanhia ensi ewo ya kwantempon so sankrate National Road Safety Authority wonom corporate affairs unit ena adibetudwa
so na world's largest floating book fair about my Ghana mu na chase books ahodo nyinara ene nei ebe na empempem na wonwani da kwan sene wonbekọ na won akohwe bie na wonmahu books ahodo August bosomene de toso enwotwe edikosi September na yehwe animu se books ahodo titles bese 5000 yenkura dikosi empanifo ebeba betese na bia anya kwan won akohwe bie na wakenkan bie hunsem eni.
So you can gather yourselves together with your family and friends, plan a visit. And not only can you explore the books that we have on board, but also we have an international cafe where you will be able to purchase some snacks, have fellowship, come together, maybe speak about the books that you've been reading, or also meet our international crew with you. And we love to hear the stories of the people and really build these friendships. Friendships that last even for years beyond the visit. That is what we are looking forward to once again partner and see friendships built between Ghana and the many nationalities on board. Actually, we have also the blessing to share that one of our crew members on board is also Ghanaian, so it's great that you have your representatives on board as well.
Uraba kwa yamani boni ene netwetwe nkomo ya waka sa adwumadie hu akire mu se nani age pa sa adwumadie yi eba so.
Through the visits of the ship in different places, I myself have been able to experience people's hospitality in inviting us into their homes, inviting us into their country, eating their food, such as fufu, For Jollof, we've been able to have had an amazing experience of hospitality through the different, may come from different places, but we all are looking for the same thing, and we are all searching and can be, in our differences, see.
Kenya say number 2 wa hafumante mo de to nyumakuo ne ankrankra wonsem obi se womra meboa womo na University of Energy and Natural Resources campus fofora wonpeso wonya wo nkura ahodo mu no wombetumi aduru sa botaye no eho.
So what ye no mo bo kahire na obi abesuma so ya bo ye kahire wi o sa aba no so yemu no so aye na ya mani hu aye hunu ye school ya be si akwakra mai sanse ye sha start school nya na asam ye ntimi me yenyum ye na school ba ye wi nsala be no ma sa anoma to sini na na me atede sa dia ya puma na ye nsan kan ne abie kwa mai eni pa bo ta chide so be adne be koso na nam se da so badwuni hu se school no ye dia nse edom bebem se be school no na me ato hallelujah.
Anthony Mensa Asisifi North Mensini Krachi oni amani buni samia sabe nkomo twetwemu ene wo kire mu se Mensini no botaye ba ko ene se obehwe ama adusua ho nsem akonkan senti ena wo kwa kusi sa library no ama adusuafo no wo hwe ne mu kwan sa bosomi miensa ntemu no obesi awie
wo ye adwuma na wo hyase a ena wo behunu ba bia akwansidie bi ededa nti ya nhyase na se ka se ye twen am ye wie bibia ansa basa na ede ye kwa chisa se sikui da ye so ba ye mfie du aba nti ye mpese nka be kwa chiri sa biu na ka yetimenya ye university no na ma ngomasua ene ade kire so atimi akoso wano ewo Mensini yimu.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso hwe na abra sebo kwaman kase abato empesua no so ebo sobo NDC so se wonmo eba ye no kwan no chese quota ketua bi bottle half okrampo womo amfanka na enei mrahye bedwani aka no ho abom ne Ghana gas ana wonmo asi enkura children's ward na ewo abra krampa model health center se won mo enye na nkwada no hododo won mo betumi aboho na mpanifo ahwe won eyare
nana yan kwano ye problem abura se bukamanga se nana mijina haka de NDC aban won for ko ta gwadan go ko so kwan biara do abura se bukamanga se from time abura se bukamanga se obazi NDC aban won for ko ta gwadan go ko won for so kwan biara do abura se bukamanga se ha mo ye jo kwapo mi nana ye vice president no fi abura se bukamanga se oye papa se misata vice president ofi abura se bukamanga se nana ye hu ko ta boda ngoku but oye the MPP nana do dan ko akufa ado na ban nana yembo abakampa manabwe yembo abura se bukamanga se abwe onche bi ekoto abo onche babani biara na abura se bukamanga se otumpan
Francis Augustus Bedu Ghana gas manager o share corporate social responsibility so ne kasa yemu no wadam na hyebedwani na se obo a wonom ye nam so asa adwumadie waka wo hu bomu a watimi aye amamanfo no wode ato mpanyinfo a wonom eda ya resabia no anu animu se wonhwe so yie se de be ya betumi a kyere ama wonom
apomezinzi oye papumukra yen CSR ojina do pa ntisi yabe da mazia dana yabe no yene in charge ya call around about 2 weeks ago yemunde what the think the thing ya kind ochade oye no kwade wo hia na ya besra hon the ohia ya enso ya za abrawani obohwe ni ye na dama pinfo ken maintenance amechina
Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Baumia bo kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama sobo se ne 2012 manifesto promises and abosha hodo no de There's a penny one to me any so much more any.
When he was running for president in 2012, we've looked at his manifesto. He made 280 promises. 280. He did not fulfill 203 promises. 203. He only fulfilled 28% of his promise. 28%. Compared to us in 2016. Our manifesto, we have fulfilled or fulfilling 83% of our 2016 manifesto. 83%. And his was 28%.
So when you say one time no man penny said the digital transformation any yama fufrobia and I'm not buying so what to me I am or may no want to me and so so.
The person Mambunu Yenya Ejuma Aye. Jobs would be my major focus. Now, me be training 1 million youth in digital skills. 1 million youth in digital skills. Ohona ejumano ewo ubetimenya digital skills. Unko university. As long as you can read and write, you betimenya train you. Now when you digital skills, uti akroponha na uyejuma wa America, wa Canada, wa Japan, wa UK. Na uti high because
Mayentwa so na kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama se enedie wo pe baabi a nkontompo ne ntro ekoso pade a Jubilee House ho ne headquarters ya nsemu a eni nokure ni mu eni stories enya nokure ho eni free de eba emunsem eni.
Yesterday I went to Bokunaba's palace and he spoke about the issue of carving out another region to encompass the 6 constituencies in this area. And I explained that there were constitutional processes that needed to be gone through, and that the criteria was 1, economic viability, 2, land size, 3, population. And aside from that, a petition must be presented, a commission of inquiry must be set up to look at the feasibility of creating a region. In the evening, I saw a fake news story misrepresenting completely what I said and trying to put me against the Mamprugu state.
Sansimi, Omampeni and Uncle Kufuado, Atson, Boachrimu ye panenso, John Dramani Mahama, Hremua, one more Jubilee House on Modia, one bota panese, and someone no cre, Nedem Pape Mubeba, and Wayam Wadi.
I never mentioned Mamprugu yesterday at all. I was just comparing land size and region and economic viability and all that. The president condemned misinformation and he used the Ajapadia document as an example of misinformation. But probably what the president doesn't know is that his office, the Flagstaff House, is the headquarters of misinformation. That is where the fake stories misrepresent what people have said and feed it into the social media. His own office is the headquarters where they do that. And so he should clean his house first before he talks about misinformation in other places.
So now founder, was a chief executive officer, the Time to Think Foundation, Richard Kofi Akosa, or the Adisha Magana Funina was Renedim, Kasa, Kasentry, a bomb mine, don't talk about the Enfield home films, Abria, your boy home, Akotwabe.
Kind of about why between Asedana Yadimarad. Say, if free Kabima can be for us a year 4th Republic from 1992. If you see ya to aba enwotwe na ya to na we nso afi nso ya beto na ye bompa ya sre urade se omoye na enye asomdwie ya sre urade se onka ye ho na ye anso kasa kasa nkere ye ho ye mabunu ye yufu no ye kasa nkere wo na obi amfa position a openti Wamfawo wa meye hanam ana wamfawo ameye ne obru ne sacrifice electoral commission onye de dwuma asese wodi na onfa periperi ye enye adwuma aban so emfa ne asese wodi ma won emfa ma won opposition so obru ne so onya responsible opposition anya bibia emma akura se yehu we as if say bibi na aba bibia ma ye beto aba no din aboni bia nsi
eno achi asante achima semchemo dikro na ya wose berima eso ni Adom kase di sankomoyi
yebo aban aba so pa so atimi ama nkane aba so yeni kwan ye dankane ye kwanye eha ya ye we se obi yale anajo yeni health center bia wa ha ni akase ye so ano entiama ye ho kire papa obi ho no penfo ama ebinum kura fa ho ahre mo nkwa ebinum apon mema no bi kofom na sika akotwa no esek ye treat nu kakra ye kwan so na enye enti ama nsam bebre o hawo na eto ye wasenchim efa ye kwan ho enti ye srese ekwan no aban e ba behwe ayama ye
ene ya make us a World Vision one more abwa emebunu adonumienu 22 ya one more ewo KJB se wonye soyi machine na wonfa eni wonjuma na one more KJB reading and improvement and skills enhancements and technical programmer World Vision for one more NBA na wode soyi machine na se fidie de pamade akoma one more na enipa wode ama won bi mebunu obi ohonma enyin senti wantumi anko school bi wonso ye ohia na obi wonso edamdie ti safo no na nei wanya sa emfasudi
se ka kure bia betumi akọ school nanka waba begina mpempenso bi but ntumi manesa enti mofrey se o mantumi anko school ntumi nja o musa enti e bo mo se o mo ankasa so benye o munsa no adwuma nanka o maye se de be ya daachi no o munya de so amfama wo mo ho ene wo mo ebusua ene o man ni nyina ye wo ye fense masters a ye nu o mo adwuma ye train wo mo ankasa se de be yo betumi ahwe so masters no so ye do so mbeboa mofrey said ombetumi use machines yi ene aban adwuma yefo so a ye ne omu ye adwuma so akasa se ombetumi monitor enkwere any masters ni na said be ya machines ye dey ma wo mu ombetumi use enye o ma mo pamade nkwa bi so eyetire ebi so mbeye ka said they see fx cars any ade ebi so se mobile phones ni ade on person mo fixe
Wilson Agbanyon KJB mensini krachi wada World Vision for us say wode saa infidie ababeboa mmabunu a wonom ewo rom honom sebe ya wonom ebenya nsa no dwumaye.
If on your own volition you said that you are ready to learn this trade, to have this skill, it shouldn't be the matter that when you get home maybe you have financial constraint, financial challenge, then your parents will convince you, persuade you, let's sell this sewing machine. It doesn't matter. I want to encourage that when they go, this sewing machine is for their future, is their future. So their parents shouldn't convince them in any way to sell this sewing machine. They themselves, no matter how challenged they are financially, nothing should convince them to sell this sewing machine. Once they sell it, then you don't have any job. You still go back to square one.
And wetri any amani boni and one more when you say Jumedi Mufaso at
I'm here to thank World Vision people for the things they're giving us today. These things will help us in our future whenever we marry. Even we will use it until we take care of our children whenever we give birth. So I'm here to thank World Vision people for the gifts. We will not disappoint them.
Doma Central Municipal Director of Education, Reverend Father Kingsley Dwamina Sante. Na ene was school so dodo no e mensin no mo adie. Emu o hamunche mu numpe e na wo computers. Emu adi okunu num 95% ne de omonyo. Yamane boni etwoso.
Quality mono ya public schools na ense ya ka chiri ebebre. Be schools bebe 5% na yebetimi edi ensa asi yebo ne akase omo labs a sabe ekonkan ekakra it means that 95% de ade a omo aka achire ewom ebi mpo eni bi kura omo eni bi no teacher for no edwene omo use ne friend innovation nti omo phones beko ba bi no bon se ni phone na ode echire ICT
Ernest Opon and a year kwanchirefo a woda Minefield School of Excellence ano ewodoma oni ama ne boni enko motwetwe mu no no so din sem sei ene to nani
ya fa atie on so say ye be bua ama mo ko amu yenta no munya computer mu nimdie eno nti ene ya ICT center fefefa ene anokwe ye ba abepamu entuma na ni gisama o ene say sesia me no ekase your computers more than 40 you baba pamont any day and an yentia ya and come up Sunday say you must say akwa bi your mind phone no say over IT lab open your computer back atna hona ono so odi asua de and akadie any mfidie ahodoa ye hia bi say projector any mfidie ahodoa aka abeboa ama computer addition etimi akonani no eno so ye ni na aba
Mahentwa so na principal enrollness ya wa danse Akrofom Health Center ya danse Akrofom District wa Santamantemu ye Adubu ahin Bernard na ene osu wonmu fi se wonu matena ye ho no wonni nurse wo ho na hawa hudo bi a wo mo fam wo ho no wo de strategy Adom TV ye campaign 14 ti wo mra emeboa wo
Omoba I have food bebre na ye wantin tan ya omatete oma pepa walls ho no mo ne ade na omo ankasa kra bedi adanse ya omo ko bath house ho no omo ko na ye ntwitwi ho no because ye were pregnant woman omo ba ye ka so omo nko private ne so omo nko ho no no makojo nso egu ba bia omo dware no enti e ma sentence so e ba enti obi o ha oje ne to okra na ompe enti na de omo ba ya man no ye ni so pa se me ka challenges crank me start here finesses once mo ba ya me nko na me gina ha ye ka general side me nko na me ye adwuma general side ye be stress na ka nurses ni ye post bi mra no mo mra no mo meboa ye emergency room no se ye de wo ba fofora ye receive ho na ye de wo kɔ ho na ye de wo to ni ehwe ni hu se wo stabilize and na ye de wo kɔ ward ankasa ana ward no so ye ba ko pɛ ward na ye one pɛ eno ana ya sa chem ene ya ni males ana females into kwa omone children's nyina na da honom a ye manage wo mo ayare tai ba ha pa ha adwen malaria se yi ano to nchen dia ene accident ene de obi anim motor accident ana car accident
ni tawia Michael edwem tenani a woda Future Leaders Fan Club ano e wadanse Akrofo ono so de atomafo nyina anim se wo ma honedie ehia wonom no wonhwe won ho so yie se de be ya afempinu ene edunu ne abato ne beduru na yarewa bia mo wo mo a ebesi won kwan e ma wontumi nkoto aba
ye nyina ye hekruma ye hospital ni ana enkoba se ye wo fie ne ye beka se ye twen say ye be yare anse ye de aba ha sometimes ye ba ha ye hu se adwuma pa wa ha pa nti na wo say ye ni kuo mienu Future Leaders ne Asante Zongus ye ka ye hu bom ni eda ye benya members ne mo na ne aba ne aba general cleaning nti enu nti ni titiro pa ye de ba say ye be boa mo ne cleaning ha because enkoba say oba hospital wo de yare ne ba ye na wo be free ha wo san de yare be ko entonton bi wo hospital malaria obetumi anya bi wo ha because o he ha de we ha siti na wo be cleaning ya na abada na ho beto no be wie na de yare be ko de emmoa